Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're doing something that we've not done for quite some time. Yes, we're going on with the Ecto, and I've got all stages in now because I had a lot of stages already, but I had the first pack I didn't have in, but all the packs after I had, so I had to wait until I got that pack 17, I think it was, doesn't matter. This is the first one we're going to do now. I have that in, and I've got everything in now, so I can do the whole thing. So let's get straight into it and start this beautiful build. Here we go. Issue 34, the Ghostbusters build. It's stage 127, 128, 129 and 130. I'm going to split them up because I don't know how hard they are to do. The first one is the one that we're doing just now, and we're going to put that all together and have that at the finish. Let's go straight away to the end of this, and I'll show you the other ones in it. This is in the magazine. And that is the next one. I mean pack then in this case. So let's get straight into 127 and make that one. Well, that is what we had from the previous stage, and this is what we have from this stage. And let's see if I need that. Put that to the side. We're starting with the wheel, so we're getting that one out, that one, and that one. We're going to put that one in between and put two FMs in. That's the first part done. I think it's that one and that one. Need to have a good look at how it is. Okay, it needs to be like that. And then ABN is going in. We are going to put oil on the tip. If you look at it like that, it can fold in like that, but it has to come out straight like that. Have a look at the orientation there. Then right here is where we're going to put that one with a AM screw, and this is what you should have. These we're going to put on later. That and that we need a little bit later on as well. Can't remember how hard that was the last time, but that we're going on with an FM screw. Need to do a little modification because it will not fit otherwise. That's better. Let's see, how about this one? Yep. Alright, little bit of modification there, but we should be able to screw everything in now. I need to have a good look at that because that can't bend down. It needs to be able to bend down. Come on. Let's put that back on. Alright, this needs to be able to fold down. Yep. Next we do is this one. Did you see that? Yeah. What I am actually doing is pushing that down and screwing in from this side. So that keeps a good hold. I need to find that little thing, that foot thing, but I need my glasses for that. So let's get my glasses out. And we are going to put, what kind of screws? YP. So these are YP screws that we're putting in, 4 of them, and then we can connect that arm that is right there to it. Then we're going to put this one on, but it needs to be on the other side. It is now. There we go. And what kind of screw goes? It lower part, the AP, you can still get that in. We were supposed to put that in already, but this works. As you see, up, that folds down and goes up and comes down and goes up. So we'll fold everything down because we'll be working on the other side. Those, and we are getting the other ones out. Oh, we have them here already. So let's make these first. Put some GPs in the back and YPs on the front. So we are going to do a lot of screwing here. So this back cushion is be screwed in with. So those are GPs. Then we're going to put them on here with YP screws. So I'm going to get them closer. And we're going to get the other. There are pins there on this side only. They need to be in. So we're going to screw on this side first for the second one. And number 4. As you can see, all the proton pack holders are in, and that is this stage done, and I'm stopping it here. We're going to 28 in a different video. Thank you very much for joining me again. This is what we have to show for a really nice proton pack arm, and it can stand on itself as well, like so, as you can see right there. A lot of light, but it works. Okay, thank you very much for joining me, and please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on the ones that you see on the posters, on the ones that you see behind me, or anything that you see on my channel. Thank you very much, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.